In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to migrate your Google Drive files from your Wes Morris account to your personal Google account. And I'm starting off in my personal Google Drive. And what I want to do is install Drive for my computer. And sometimes if you don't see that, you might have your Drive expanded so that you can see all your folders. So just click the triangle there to collapse it and click Install Drive for your computer. Now in this demonstration I am on a PC, but if you're using a Mac, that's fine too. You'll also install Drive first. So I'm going to click Install Drive for PC. It's going to download the Google Drive Sync app here. And I can either click the link to the file here once it's downloaded in Chrome, or I could open up my computer and go to Downloads and click on Google Drive Sync. And I'm going to have to run this application. So I've already gone ahead and installed Google Drive, and I'm going through the setup process, and I need to sign into my account. And it's very important when you do this that you sign into your personal Google account and not the one issued by Wes Morris. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in, and I'm going to need to put in a code for my account. It's created a folder in my home folder entitled Google Drive, and you can see it's synced over all of my folders and files, or at least most of them. And so now the next thing that I'm going to want to do is go back to my web browser, and I'm in my school account, and I'm going to create a new folder, and I'm going to title this one Migration. Now you can call your folder whatever you like, just as long as it's something memorable. And the basic idea is just to put anything that you want to save from your school account into that new folder you just created. So I can actually drag things in here. So for example, I could put my handouts folder in that migration folder. I could take something like, let's see here, presentations, and put that into my migration folder. And just continue dragging and dropping things in there to have everything you want. If you're going to save everything from your drive, you can check the box up here at the top, and you'll notice that that checks off everything in your drive. And I'd want to find the migration folder and uncheck that. But then everything else, I can just grab it, drag it, and drop it into that migration folder. Now, once I've done that, what I want to do is come back to that migration folder and share it with my personal account. So I'm going to go to the settings for the folder, go to share, and share that with my personal account. Now you will get a warning which will pop up, and it'll say you're sharing outside of your Google Apps organization, and that's okay. We're going to say yes. And now we're going to click done. Now what I want to do is go to my personal Drive account, and I should see underneath shared with me, there's that migration folder, and I'm going to hold down my control key and add that to my own drive. So it's very important that you hold down control, because otherwise you'll be moving the folder, and we don't want to do that. So add it to your drive, just drop it right on top of there. And now in your drive, you should see that migration folder. So there it is. And we want to make sure that that syncs over to Google Drive on the desktop. All right, so that migration folder has shown up in the Google Drive folder on my computer. And then the last step is to take this folder, which should have everything that you want to copy from your drive, and we're going to right click it and do copy. And then now I'm going to paste. And this is going to sync this folder with everything from my Wes Morris account back up to my personal account, and I will actually own this. So once your account is deleted, after you graduate, you will have a copy of everything from your drive exactly as it was.